Whitelisting is a common practice in the NFT world. Learn what whitelisting is and how to get whitelisted on NFT projects. Early in 2021, when NFT started to take off, particularly PFP NFT, there was a mad rush of people trying to mint NFT at the launch of a project. This rush caused people to try to mint their NFT as soon as a project opened their contract for minting. And to try to get their NFT before they sold out, people increased the upper limit of the gas they were willing to pay. The more gas you are willing to pay, the faster your transaction will get confirmed. The result was sky-high transaction fees for minting, often called a gas war. These gas wars were, and still can be, truly epic, with transaction fees alone ranging in the thousands of dollars. However, as we moved towards the end of 2021, and people became absolutely sick of the gas war situation, more and more projects started to adopt a whitelisting approach to launching their NFT. Whitelisting. The term whitelisting comes from the information technology/cybersecurity world and generally means an allow or safe list, but in the NFT world, it means something more specific. For NFTs, whitelisting is the process of getting a crypto wallet address pre-approved for a future NFT mint, also called a drop. Since most NFT are launched on the Ethereum blockchain, the address being whitelisted would be your public Ethereum F address. What does it mean to be whitelisted? To be whitelisted means that you have gone through the process/steps, as defined by the NFT project team, of getting your ETH address pre-approved to mint an NFT at some predefined date and time. Usually, this date and time for whitelisted addresses are set as a window of time. For example, some projects may allow whitelisted addresses to mint an NFT anytime within a predefined 48-hour period. What is whitelisting used for? Whitelisting is typically used for two general purposes. 1. To reward early support of an NFT project. 2. To prevent a gas war. Whitelisting to reward early supporters. With a large number of NFT projects launching every week, project teams need to find ways to incentivize early supporters of their projects. One way to do this is by offering early supporters to get on a whitelist to mint their NFT pre-launch. The whitelist not only guarantees a supporter a spot to mint, but could also allow for a reduced price for the NFT or even a free NFT. By doing so, supporters are incentivized to stay engaged with the project and promote the project to friends very early on in the project lifecycle. This can work especially well for a project if an NFT influencer hears about the project and promotes it to a large audience. How do NFT whitelists benefit creators? Whitelists prevent, or at least soften, gas wars. They also reward early supporters of NFT projects. But of what benefit is that to creators? By rewarding those who bring in the most members into the NFT project's Discord server, creators amplify interest in the project. They let would-be buyers do the work for them. The pyramid scheme attracts more and more members. The more people who are interested in a project, the higher the price of its individual NFT will be during the public sale and in resales. If you're reading this and you're a creator, this guide may be of more use to you. How do you get on a whitelist for an NFT sale? This depends entirely on the project, although there are a few rules of thumb. Lots of NFT project leaders communicate via Discord. So to be in on the action, prospective buyers and/or supporters likely benefit from joining the project's Discord server as early as possible. Projects usually advertise their Discord servers via Twitter or other social media platforms. It is in Discord servers that creators disseminate information about their NFT project, including, if they're using a whitelist, information on how to get on it. Remember that, to get on an NFT whitelist, the project creator, or team of creators, has to specifically select you. So if you join a Discord server expecting to be able to sit silently and get on the whitelist, you may be disappointed. Whether or not you make the whitelist might depend on how much you engage with other members of the Discord server. In Laptop Mag's words, most NFT communities operate like pyramid schemes. If you bring X amount of people on board, you're more likely to rise up the ranks yourself. Whitelisting to prevent a gas war. Transaction fees on the Ethereum blockchain can be enormously high when the network is congested. The situation is made much worse when popular NFT launches and thousands of people try to mint at the same time. In such cases, the transaction, gas, fees alone can be many multiples more than the actual mint price of the NFT. This situation is known as a gas war, since people are competing to mint the NFT as quickly as possible before it sells out. The more gas you are willing to pay, the more likely your transaction will go through before others. To ease this situation, many projects have adopted a whitelisting approach. By whitelisting supporters in advance of a launch, the project team can create a window of time that their NFT can be minted within, for example, a 24 or 48-hour window of time on a particular date. Since the whitelisted addresses can choose the time they want to mint within that window, people can spread out their transactions, thereby preventing a gas war. How do you get whitelisted? There are 3 general steps to getting whitelisted for an NFT project. 1. Find a project before they launch. 2. Join the project's Discord group. 3. Follow the instructions for getting whitelisted. Find a project before they launch. To get whitelisted for a project, you first need to find projects pre-launch. This might mean a brand new project or an existing project that is releasing a new collection. Another option, and one that requires more time and effort, but may lead to better results, is to follow NFT influencers on YouTube and Twitter to get the latest on what is happening in the space. Whatever approach you take, please be careful and do your own research. There are a lot of scams in this space. Join the project's Discord group. Once you decide on a project, you'll need to, almost certainly, join their Discord group. In the NFT world, Discord is the main communication tool, followed by Twitter. Each Discord can be organized differently, but usually you can find information on how to get whitelisted in the announcement sections. If not, take some time to explore the group to see what you can learn. It's possible that you missed getting whitelisted or they don't have a whitelist. If you can't find anything there, you can try asking other members of the group. Usually there is a general section where members are chatting about the project or NFT or other general topics. But before you ask, try to do your own research first. Also, a note of warning: there are scammers everywhere. Be cautious of any direct messages you might get from random people. Also, be careful of any links people send you. Follow the instructions to get whitelisted. Once you feel confident about a project and you have done your research, you may want to go ahead and join their whitelist. Getting whitelisted can take various forms. You may be asked to fill out a simple Google form. You may be asked to invite others to the Discord to earn your whitelist spot. You may be asked to join a lottery system that picks addresses at random. The point is that each project is unique and will have its own rules for getting whitelisted. Only do what you are comfortable with. There are many other projects out there. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.